If you don't want to apply for Spanish residency or a Spanish visa and you are a non-EU citizen, you can stay in Spain up to 90 days in a 180-day rolling period. Or you can go to Spain 3 months in Spain, 3 months in the UK, for example. 3 months in, 3 months out. In 1 year, you can spend 6 months in Spain as a tourist. However, you can't spend those 6 months consecutively. You can only do 3 months in, 3 months out. But what's important, in a period of 180 days, you do not exceed more than 90 days in Spain as a tourist. And please remember that tomorrow is a new 180 days. So you need to look back and you need to see in this block of 180 days, how many days have I spent in Spain? So for example, today I enter Spain and tomorrow I leave Spain, that's 2 days. Okay? If I come into Spain today and leave today, hope there's no delays, then that's 1 day. I recommend, and on my Lawyer in Spain website, you will find there is a Schengen calculator where you can put your in dates and your out dates. So your entry dates and your exit dates, and it will calculate it for you. And I recommend you do keep track of that. Eventually, we'll have the new entry and exit system, the electronic one, so that will actually keep track of the 90 days in the 180-day rolling period automatically. The risks of overstaying the 90 days in a 180-day rolling period for non-EU citizens is if border control pick it up, they can see that you've overstayed, they could fine you, they could even put a deport stamp on your passport if they pick that up. When the new electronic entry and exit system come into play, then that will be picked up. The risk is that you could be refused entry into Spain, and even the bigger risk is that if you decided to apply for a Spanish visa and they see that you have what they would consider as illegally residing in Spain because you exceeded the 90 days in a 180-day rolling period, it is a reason to decline the visa.